Hello, our presentation is on recreational drugs and police data. Our team name is No Free Lunch. Our team members are Cassandra, Wilson, Yelin, Tara, and Amy. The research questions that we proposed were, how does non-medical drug usage correlate with police density by state for different drugs? And also, what policing variables predict drug use of different drugs? The methods we used were to clean our data and normalize it by mean. Then we found external policing data and calculated per capita of arrests and police density, and combined all of our selected variables into one data file. We then ran regression on all drug data variables against police per capita and against drug arrests per capita. We then created scatter plots with our regression models for visualization and ran summary stats to find any significant p-values. We then ran lowest smoothing to check for nonlinearity on all drug variables against police per capita and against drug arrest per capita. We then also plotted our lowest models to visualize for any nonlinearity and to check for different smoothing fractions. Finally, we created chloropleth maps to visualize all drug variables, police per capita, and drug arrest per capita by states. The final variables that we analyzed were states, opioids, bends, stimulants, GABA, and illegal use. The external variables that we created were police per capita and drug abuse arrests per capita. The regression models for police per capita versus our selected drug variables showed that there were no significant p-values at an alpha level 0.05. And our graphs also showed that there is no correlation in our regression line. Similar findings were discovered for drug arrest versus our selected drugs. We had no significant p-values at alpha level 0.05, except for illegal use, which had a p-value less than 0.011. Moving forward, our lowest smoothing scatter plots also showed similar results. This is our police per capita, which shows very insignificant nonlinearity against all of our drug variables. Similarly, for arrest per capita, there was insignificant nonlinearity against all variables for the drugs. Finding number 1, that was policing and arrests have no impact on recreational drug use. We now move forward to our chloropleth maps. This first one is police density by state, and top 3 states were Delaware, New Hampshire, and New Mexico. Density of recreational drug usage by state is displayed here for opioids, bends, GABA, and stimulants. The density of recreational drug use, specifically opioids by states, is displayed in this map. The states with highest opioid use are Louisiana, which ranked number 5 in police density, and Washington, which was number 50 in police density. Now, our states with lowest opioid use were New Mexico, which ranked number 3 in police density, and Wisconsin, which ranked number 46 in police density. Finding number 2 was that higher policing is associated with reduced illegal drug use. So we have a chloropleth map of drug abuse arrests. Our top 3 states were Wyoming, South Dakota, and Missouri. Density of illicit drug use by state is displayed in this map. States with the highest illicit drug use were Washington, which ranked number 3 in illicit drug use, and ranked number 42 in drug abuse arrests. And our states with the lowest illicit drug use were South Dakota, which ranked number 50 in illicit drug use and ranked number 2 in drug abuse arrests. Our overall findings was that recreational drugs has no correlation with police density. And here are our works cited for our external policing data found through the FBI website. Thank you very much.